Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting revolutions in the AI world, no-code and low-code agent builders. These platforms are empowering anyone, not just developers, to build and deploy intelligent AI agents without writing a single line of code. Until recently, building AI agents required deep programming expertise, model fine-tuning, and complex orchestration between APIs. This made AI development costly, time-consuming, and accessible only to large tech teams. But today, that barrier is rapidly disappearing thanks to no-code and low-code AI development. So what exactly are these platforms? No-code agent builders let users create workflows, connect data sources, and design AI logic using simple drag-and-drop interfaces. Low-code agent builders allow minimal coding for customization, perfect for developers who want flexibility without starting from scratch. Together, they form a new wave of AI democratization, bringing complex agentic capabilities to non-programmers. These builders abstract away the complex back-end logic. Here's how it works under the hood. Users design a visual workflow with nodes for input, memory, tools, and reasoning. The platform connects these nodes to APIs like OpenAI, Anthropic, or Gemini. A built-in orchestration engine runs the flow, just like a human agent would, reasoning, retrieving, and responding step by step. What makes these platforms truly powerful? Drag-and-drop workflows for reasoning chains, pre-built integrations with vector databases and APIs, memory management and context persistence, built-in evaluation and observability dashboards, deployment with one click to the cloud or internal apps. Essentially, these platforms allow AI agents to come to life visually. Let's look at some of the most popular tools today. LangFlow, visual builder for LangChain and Llama index workflows. Flowise, open source tool for building LLM apps with custom nodes. Dust.tt, collaborative AI workspace for enterprises. Pipedream, workflow automation connecting AI with business tools. Chatbot UI/relevance AI, Builder.ai, great for customer-facing chat agents. Each platform caters to a different user segment, from beginners to enterprise developers. For organizations, no-code AI brings speed and agility. You can prototype intelligent workflows in hours, not weeks. It reduces developer dependency, lowers costs, and enables business teams to experiment directly with AI logic. However, these tools aren't perfect. They can struggle with limited customization, security concerns when integrating APIs, version control and scalability in production. That's why hybrid approaches, combining low-code platforms with back-end APIs, are becoming common. The future is agentic. We're moving towards systems where agents not only execute tasks, but build other agents dynamically using low-code interfaces. Imagine an AI assistant that configures its own workflow. That's where we're heading. As LLMs become more modular and contextual, no-code platforms will evolve into self-assembling AI ecosystems. No-code and low-code AI agent builders are not just tools, they're a movement. They're changing who gets to innovate in AI, from researchers to small business owners and students. If you're exploring how to build AI agents fast, this is where you should start. What's your favorite no-code AI builder? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI deep dives.